In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Ethernet connected but no internet access on Windows 11. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is restart your modem and router. Unplug both devices from the power outlet and wait for about 30 seconds. Then plug in the modem first and wait until all of its indicator lights become stable. After that, plug in your router and allow it to fully boot up. Once both devices are ready, check whether your Windows 11 PC can access the internet. If the problem persists, the next step is to inspect your Ethernet cable and ports. Disconnect the Ethernet cable from your PC and carefully check it for any visible damage. If everything looks fine, reconnect it securely. Next, unplug the cable from the router and try connecting it to a different Ethernet port on router. If you have another Ethernet cable available, test with that as well. After making these changes, check whether your internet connection has been restored. If you are still having issues, let's move on to the next method. Disable and re-enable the Ethernet adapter. Launch Settings, go to Network and Internet. Now click on this option, Advanced Network Settings. Here you're gonna find the option of Ethernet. Click on Disable. Wait for about 10 seconds, then click on Enable to turn the adapter back on. Once it's enabled again, check whether your internet connection is working properly. If not, you can try next method. Search for command prompt, click on Run as Administrator. Now go ahead and type in these command prompts. First, type in ipconfig /release. Wait for the command to complete. Next, type ipconfig /renew and press enter. Allow the process to finish, then check if your internet connection has been restored. Lastly, type in the command prompt ipconfig /flush DNS. Press enter and wait until you see the success message confirming that the DNS resolver cache has been flushed. After that, restart your web browser and test your connection again. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.